Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Critical Ops. So today I'm gonna show you how to fix the lag in Critical Ops. So click on the settings icon. First of all, you need to go on the general menu. Then you can see here 90 FPS. So you need to decrease the FPS of this game. So you can adjust to 30 FPS. So then go to graphic settings. Then if it's on automatic settings, you need to uncheck this box. On automatic, you need to select the lowest and also uncheck the tracers, particle and environmental particles. So after unselect these options, you can feel the less lag in this game. So I hope you like this video. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon.